welcome back to the channel, guys. We are going to be taking a look at the PolarPro Cinema Series Vivid Collection for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now these are ND filters, and I'm not sure if all you guys know what ND filters are. Basically it brings down the exposure 2 stops, 3 stops, 4 stops, depends on the power of the ND filter. Like this is the ND4, and these are polarized filters also, so they'll help get rid of the glare, help bring out a little more colors, basically make the make your video footage look a little bit better. And if you match them with your frame rate that you're trying to shoot, it'll give you more of a cinematic look to your videos and stuff. So you can see on the back here says when to use them. Basically sunset, sunrise for the ND4, ND8's partly cloudy, 3-stop, and an ND16 midday mild sun. Usually I go with the ND16 on a sunny day. We'll have to see how it is with the Mavic 2 Pro, and the ND8 would be on kind of a cloudy day. So, but bright sun, usually I use ND16. So anyway, let's take a look at these buggers. Here they are here. And I must say they do look pretty darn nice, except for that camera reflection from my light. But yeah, they're a nice looking ND filter. Let's get them out of the case. So this here is a little grip to help remove your stock lens off your Mavic 2 Pro. So basically you just clip this on, turn to the left, I believe it is. I haven't done it yet. But turn to the left, and then your stock lens should pop off. And you can put on whichever one of these you need to put on depending on the conditions you're shooting in. So a nice thing I've seen, I watched a couple of reviews on these already. If you want to see how they work, go to YouTube, type out Mavic 2 ND filters. And there's plenty of people out there showing and demonstrating the different ND filters and what they do and how exactly they work. This is just kind of a quick look at them. Here's the case, which is actually a really nice case. I like it. Fairly small, portable. It does have like this metal or magnetic, like right here on the corners. These are little magnets. And then here and here, so that's very nice. So this case will stay closed in your travel bag and stuff. It's not gonna come open on you, or it shouldn't. And here your filters are here. So let's see. I kind of wish they would have put the filter power, I guess, or ND4, 8, and 16 kind of on the side, actually, because when they're in the case, like, you can't see which is what. I mean, I got them organized, so I should know this is 4, 8, and 16. You can kind of tell. I don't know if you can see. Like, this one looks a little lighter, then medium, and then dark. So if I pull this one out of here, yeah, there's my ND4, which it says on the bottom here. If my camera will focus on it. Probably not, because it's pretty small letters. So there's my ND4 there. And then if I get these other two out of here, you'll see these are ND8 and ND16. So there you have it. That's where they put those little letters on the very bottom there. And I really wish they would have put them on the side, because when they're in the case, they're kind of blocked. Then the other thing is, on the top of them, they have a little white line, which I believe is right there. You can see that little white line on here, right there. So you keep that centered at the top of your, basically the top of your lens when you put it on your Mavic 2. So this will go on. Basically, it should end up going on like that. Then you want that white line for a starting point right up here. And then I guess as you turn the dial, as you turn this, then that'll change how the what part of the scene gets polarized, I guess. I don't know. That's what I seen on another video anyway. But yeah, so you can see here my finger behind it. This is a Indy 4. So let's see if I pick up another one, what that looks like. I'll go to the 16. This is an Indy 16. So you see how it's harder to see my finger behind it now? And I didn't change nothing? Well, it's kind of like putting on a heavier pair of sunglasses is what it's doing. That's pretty much how Indy filters work. And basically think of it as sunglasses for your eyes. This is Indy 8. So now you can kind of see my fingers back here behind it. So it's letting a little more light through. And then with the Indy 4, see, that's not really stopping near as much. So you can see quite a bit more. So that's basically how Indy filters work. I can't wait to get these out, try them out, see how well they work. I'm sure they're going to work good. PolarPro is a very reputable company. They make excellent products and everything else. So anyways, yeah, definitely almost a must-have accessory if you're trying to shoot good drone video and you want to take your videos to the next level. Get a little more cinematic footage. If you're just flying for fun and just you don't really care about your videos that much, you're just doing it as a hobby, then you probably don't need them. But if you want your videos to look the best they can, I would definitely recommend checking out Indy filters and stuff. So, alright guys, if you want to buy these, I'll have a link down below in the video description to these and to other Dji Mavic 2 filters from PolarPro, where you can buy them on Amazon. I am an affiliate member. So if you do purchase from the link, it will help me out, help support the channel. I would thank you very much for that support. And yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you liked the video. Leave any comments down below, questions, concerns, anything else, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Later.